Hi, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So I'm really excited to start doing this series. I've been thinking about reviewing wigs for quite some time. I always love watching wig reviews, and I've just never gotten around to doing them myself, but I'm really excited to start doing that now. And I'm also just really excited to open up these wigs. I haven't even seen them in person yet. So let's experience this opening experience together, you know? So I have been thinking about a green wig a lot lately. And I've had green hair in the past, but it was a dark, kind of, well, not too dark. It was like a regular old green with some bangs, whatever. But this time I got like a nice fluorescent neon moment. So let's get into that. Okay. So here's the package that it comes in. I got it on Amazon. It is by Carissa Hair. I will leave the link to the wig down in the description box. I am not sponsored or anything at all. I'm just including it there, you know, in case you like what you see. When we open this up, you can get one too. So I wasn't sure if I wanted to do the specs first or show you the wig, but I think I'll just like show you the wig, what it looks like straight out the bag, and then we can get into the specs of it. Oh my god. Look at this color. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm so excited. So in the package, you will of course get the wig. You get a little thank you card from Amazon. It just tells you to like leave a review and stuff, which I'm sure I will be doing. And then of course these wig caps, which I mean, I'm wearing a wig cap that I got from another wig, but honestly it's probably the same one that you get, so I always get these in like every wig that I get, so yeah. So here's the hair. As I said earlier, it's by Carissa Hair on Amazon. The wig was $36.89, and they describe it as a neon fluorescent green color. They also say that the lace is green, but it's not green. It's like this white kind of transparent moment. And of course it has the 3 clips, 2 on the side, 1 like in the middle, even though none of us really use that. I don't know why they keep on putting the clip there, but it's there, as well as the adjustable straps right there. They have it described as 150% in density, so she's kind of thick. She's kind of thick. And if you notice, I keep on looking down as I'm like kind of like pulling, or not pulling, like running, I guess, my fingers through the hair or whatever. I am noticing some shedding already. Just being completely transparent. Kind of like this lace. But yeah, I do notice some shedding already, some very slight kind of, you know, not split ends, but just I guess like some like flyaways, but like it's very slight. Like if you can like look at it, it's not that bad. It is 100% synthetic, and yeah, she's cute. So I'm gonna go cut this lace. I'm not gonna include it in the video though. I feel like there's a bunch of like people that do that on camera anyway, but if you do want me to start cutting lace and everything on camera, just let me know in the comments and I'll do it. And subscribe so you can see it. Okay. Oh my god. So here is the wig on. I just cut off like most of the lace. I didn't like set it in place or anything like that because unfortunately my job won't let me have colored hair, so like it'll just be a pain to like install it, uninstall it. And plus I have other wigs that I plan on reviewing after this one, just so I can like upload them and like pre-film them. Anyways, long explanation, but the thing is, it's really cute and I like it. So I don't have any regrets. What do you think? Let me know in the comments about the color. But oh yeah, okay, so some other things I forgot to mention. I forgot to mention that the cap size, is a medium. It's 22.5 inches, and they say that, you know, you can use the straps to like make it tighter or anything, adjust it as needed, which I have it on the tightest setting because I don't want the hair to go anywhere. You know, theoretically, if I were like going out or whatever right now, I wouldn't want it to go anywhere. So you can always make it tighter and actually install it if you have the supplies and the know-how. Go for it. It also says that they have baby hairs on this wig, which is a lie. Keeping it transparent, it's a lie. It is. There are no pre-plucked baby hairs or anything. Yeah, but they have like these like little like fly away things, but like I don't think that they're baby hairs because they're not in the front and like they're not uniform and they're kind of long like the rest of the wig. So I don't think that that is indicative of any like plucking that happened. So I would say that it's not pre-plucked or anything at all. You know, it just has like your little lace and it's cute. And I think this looks okay. I really can't tell. But yeah, I really love the color. I'm really excited to do it. I can't wait to start rocking this outside. Even though I live in Florida, I don't want to go outside, but I will. It's a good excuse to go outside. Okay, also it has like a little part. The lighting is kind of crazy. Let me see if I can fix it somehow. No. Yes. Okay, so it has like a little part, so like you can kind of like have it like I guess over or whatever. I don't really know how to do that. I like my hair out of my face because I live in Florida. It's like sweaty. I don't want hair in my face like that. But yeah, it just has like a little dip part right here. So if you wanted to do something with that, you can do that. I'm sure you'll be better than me at it. But yeah, I think that's everything about the wig. Alright, so thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. I just want to like do reviews because I love watching wig reviews. I just love like hearing about a wig before I go out and purchase it, and I also just love to see what people are able to do with the wigs that they buy. And I know that sometimes it can be really scary and what is the word? I guess misleading with a lot of online sellers when it comes to wigs and everything, because they'll tell you that things have certain features and stuff, but they don't. Like they said that they had baby hairs and they don't. So I mean, you know, what if you would have bought that and you didn't, you know, think that, oh, there's actually no baby hairs on it and it said that it was pre-plucked, but it's not. You know what I mean? So anyways, yeah. But yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that that helps you when making the decision when you stumble upon this wig on Amazon, and that, you know, you're not misled by any reviews or anything. You know, you saw everything right here, I think. If there's anything that I did miss or anything that you would like to see me do in the next one, let me know in the comment section and I will do better to accommodate to what, you know, you want to see from a review. And yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, please.